In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Adobe After Effects to default settings. If your After Effects layout looks messy, panels are missing, or the program just feels slower and more glitchy than usual, a quick reset can make a big difference. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to bring your workspace back to its default layout and clear your cache so things run more smoothly, all without touching your actual project files. Start by opening the project you're working on inside the After Effects editor. It's always best to see your changes in the context of a real project, so you can immediately tell if everything looks and feels right. Give the interface a second to load completely before moving on. Next, we're going to reset your workspace. Up at the very top of your screen, find the main menu bar, click on Window. In the drop-down that appears, move your mouse over Workspace. You'll see a list of available workspace layouts. From here, choose either Default or Standard, depending on which option you see in your version of After Effects. Both options are designed to restore a clean, typical layout. Once you click it, your panels, timelines, and tools should rearrange back to a familiar, organized view. If something doesn't look quite right, you can repeat this step and reselect the same workspace to force a fresh reset. Now let's clear the cache, which can help with performance and sometimes odd behavior. Go back to that top menu bar and this time click on Edit. In the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Preferences. A side menu will appear with different preference categories. Choose Memory and CPU. This will open a Preferences dialog box. Inside that dialog box, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see a list of sections. Click on the one labeled Disk. This is where After Effects manages your disk cache, which is basically temporary files it stores to speed up previews. Over time, this cache can get large or corrupted. In the Disk section, look for the button that says Clear Disk Cache. Go ahead and click that. After Effects may show you how much space is currently being used. Confirm the action if prompted and wait for the process to complete. When it's done, click OK to close the dialog box and save your preference changes, and that's it. You've now reset your workspace and cleared your cache, giving After Effects a fresh start with its default settings.